Hello everyone, this is SpeakUP. Adjectives are very important in the Filipino language. You will find out that there are a lot of Filipino adjectives. Today, you'll be learning more of them. Try to use them to be able to express what's on your mind to locals and surprise them. Let's start with konti. This means few or little. Konti. 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 Konti lang ininom ko. Konting alak lang. Konti lang ang tao. Konti lang po. Mabagal is slow. Mabagal. 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 Mabagal ka kumilos. Mabagal ang service nila. Mabagal ang jeep. Next is mabigat. This is heavy in English. Mabigat. 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 Mabigat ka. Mabigat ang dala ko. Mabigat ako. Mabigat ba yan? Magaan. This is the opposite. It means light or not heavy. Magaan. 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 Magaan lang yan. Magaan ito. Magaan ako. Magaan ka. The last word is Madaya. This could mean unfair. Madaya. 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 Madaya ka. Madaya siya. Madaya kayo. Practice these words, then you're good to go. Now, let's practice. This means few or little. Konti. This means slow. Mabagal. This means heavy. Mabigat. Light or not heavy. Magaan. This means unfair. Madaya. I hope you find these common Filipino adjectives useful, especially the next time you encounter some locals. It will be fun to surprise them with these words. Thank you for watching. Paalam po.